As a mother, any day you start thinking, what do we eat for like 2 hours? Know that you're not cooking anything for that day. You will end up making noodles. So guys, let's make noodles for dinner. While I was making these noodles, Izuchukwu brought his book for me, his assignment. The questions were pretty much 20 questions and he answered 10. So he's kind of beginning to say he's tired. I had to encourage him. You guys saw how I prep all my ingredients from tomato to onion to scotch bonnet pepper and egg. In my egg, I added some scotch bonnet pepper, onion and some seasoning. Stir and fried. Once it's ready, I'm going to remove it, go in with my onion and tomatoes, stir and add in my seasoning and chili peppers, go in with the noodles and give it a good stir. You want to stir fry this for a few seconds and your noodles is ready.